So this expression represents the remainder. So 98 divided by 33. Well, 33 will go into 98 twice. They give you 66. It won't go 3 times. That would be 99. So 33 will divide into 98 twice with the remainder of 32. And then you got divided by 17. Of course, we're following the order of operation and doing what's inside parentheses first. 33 divided by 17 will go once with the remainder of 16, because 17 times 2 is 34. So the remainder is 16. Notice how they're giving us nice numbers. 32 divided by 17. Once again, 17 will go into 32 once with the remainder of 15. Minus 98 divided by 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 32 times itself again is going to be 48. Is that right? What's wrong? 16 times 3. No, I'm sorry. 98 divided by 16. What is that? We'll go how many times? We'll go 6 times. 6 times 6 is 36. It's 96 for the remainder of 2. And 15 minus 2 is 13. So there's your answer.